On Wednesday, Senate Minority Leader Mitch McConnell was asked if members of Congress and members of their close family should trade stock. The issue has taken on bipartisan concern, with Democratic Speaker Nancy Pelosi and her family as central figures in the controversial practice. Republican lawmakers, such as former Georgia Senator Kelly Loeffler, have also come under fire for stock trading. A bill in the House barring such trades may soon come to a vote, and McConnell may be majority leader next year when similar legislation could be taken up in the Senate.
There's a proposal in the House that deals with stock trades by members. To what degree do you think members should be allowed to trade stocks, and should any of those limits go to family members or even staff?
Well, we've had very few discussions over here about that particular measure, and I'm not really conversant with the details of what the House may be doing. I can only speak for myself. I only have investments in mutual funds, and I decided a number of years ago I thought that was the best way to avoid criticism that somehow I was trading stocks as a result of insider information. So that's the way I've operated for years. Beyond that, I don't have any observations.
You've been very clear about where you think the election is going to turn on those issues, the economy, inflation, crime. But are you being overly dismissive about the impact abortion might have, especially among suburban women, and some of these crucial battleground states and parties not espouse a clear strategy about how you want to deal with it?
Well, I think that issue is playing out in different ways in different states. The three big national issues that we're going to be addressing here that people are most concerned about nationally are the ones that I mentioned: inflation, crime, and open borders. That's clearly where we're going to be putting the focus. With regard to the issue you raised, I think every one of our candidates may have a different answer to that depending upon where they are.
What more can we do on inflation, particularly when so much of the problem is global, especially energy and the Fed?
Well, let me tell you where we are. Yeah, where we are now is the Fed is going to have to squeeze this inflation down. There's no other way to fix it. After this explosion of spending, $1.9 trillion last year, another $750 billion this year, it produced this rampant inflation, as others pointed out, the highest in 40 years. The solution, at least on the fiscal side, quit doing what we've been doing. On the monetary side, the chairman of the Fed has been quite clear. It's going to have to raise rates. That runs the risk of having a recession. And that'll be the price the American people have to pay. Once again, not only are they paying too much now, but then they may have to suffer through the recession that was created, and some would argue it's already here, by the Fed providing the only fix that anybody's been able to think of to begin to grind inflation down.
Leader McConnell, just as we head into the election, do you still stand by your comments about candidate quality, or has your outlook changed?
In every election, every year, this year, past years, it's great to have terrific candidates. We're in a bunch of close races. I think we have a 50-50 shot of getting the Senate back. It's going to be really, really close either way, in my view.
Leader McConnell?